Hi girlies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways I style my micro twists. This styles could be used on your locks or your braids actually, but today's video is specifically dedicated to the micro twist girlies. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First off, I'll be going in with my styling mousse because this makes it easier for you to manipulate your hair. For hairstyle number 1, we have the straight out of the salon center part. I had to bring it up here because on a good day, this style eats. We get down to the serious manipulation in a few, but before that, let's give it up for style number 2 because this style got me looking so elegant, and I swear I love the way I look. For style number 3, you have to make out a small portion of hair at the front with a horizontal parting, and then take both sides of the cutout portion all the way to the back and tie it. Those comments should be looking like 4 plus 4 right now because I know I ate. For style number 4, you're basically just tying your hair all the way at the back in the center part. Take your bun a little higher, you're not trying to tie it at the top of your neck. Always try to smoothen it out before you tie it. This gives it a very flat and polished look. For style number 5, we're going to be doing flat twists on both sides of the hair, and oh, it's a side parting. If you don't know how to go about the flat twist, it's pretty easy. Watch how I take more hair along the line, twist after twist. Just keep trying this step because even I am not a professional at it, and you can get it. I'm going to be tying the ends of the first twist because I don't want it to get loose. Repeat the flat twist on the second side of your hair, but this time do not start twisting from the very peak. When you're done flat twisting, tie both ends of your twists together. See how I'm tucking all that hair in? Do that too. I'm just playing around with the visible parts of my hair to make it a bit more fluffy. If you like that, then repeat after me. For style number 6, take out a good portion of the hair for a front leave out and take the rest in a high ponytail. Hi guys, just in case you forgot I was here, well, style number 7 has us twisting in what we left out in style number 6. This one is pretty easy, just keep rotating the hair in an inside motion as you move. I made use of a bobby pin to hold my twists at the back and underneath my ponytail. Style number 8 has some similarities with number 4. A clear difference is that we'll be leaving out a good portion for your bottom section and tying out the top section. Do not forget to smoothen out the hair before tying for a flattened and better looking effect. If you'd like, you can decide to tuck in your bun just like you see me doing. For style number 9, there is not very much for me to say, you just have to watch me. But for context, we are going to be doing horizontal cuts on our center parting and just tying out small sections in the front line. I tell you that attitude is not mine, it came with a hairstyle. For style number 10, we are basically just rolling up the sectioned out part of style number 9. The type of bun you decide to make use of does not really matter. You can work with a messy bun or this donut style, whatever feels likable to you. Last but not the least, we have hairstyle number 12. For this hairstyle, we're just going to be weaving out both sides of our center parting. For our girlies who don't know how to weave out their hair, just say it in the comment section and I'm going to deliver on a video as soon as possible. Right now, we're weaving out the second part of our hair and afterwards we're going to tie both weave outs together. I really wasn't expecting so much from this hairstyle, but now that I see it, it looks good. While I stay confused, you guys tell me in the comment section what your favorite hairstyle is.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video up until this point. If you made it this far, I hope you found what you were looking for and I hope you found the styles that are relatable to your fashion sense. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, give it a very big thumbs up, hit that red button that says subscribe guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and please leave a comment for me so I know what you liked about this video and what you didn't like about it. Meanwhile, share this video to your friends, your family, every and anyone who you think will like such videos. You know, those micro twist girlies and generally everyone who you think could rock these styles, your hairdresser friends, whatsoever. Just share my video, you guys. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. I love you guys so much. Mwah.